buddies, Jaromsz here.
So for today's video, we are going to do a tutorial on how to register your SIM cards. Let's register our smart SIM card first. We will be putting the link on the description box. You just need to click the link and you will be redirected on this page. Just scroll down and start your registration here. You need to input your mobile number here and tick the small box on the left side for the agreement and click the send OTP. Once you receive your OTP, you need to input it here and click verify OTP. Your mobile number was successfully verified. Just click OK and then you will be redirected to another page. So this is where you are going to input all your informations, including your valid ID and selfie. Make sure that you fill out everything that has asterisk. Once you're done filling out until the bottom part, just click the next button and then you will be redirected to another page again. So on this page, you will see the summary of all the details that you input from page 2. Just double check, and if everything is okay, just tick the two small boxes on the left side and click next. And you're done. You have successfully registered your SIM. You can just take a screenshot of this. Let's now go to the Dito SIM card registration. For Dito existing users, you need to download Dito application for you to register your SIM cards. First thing that you're going to do is launch your Dito app. Then click register here. You need to input here all your informations, including your valid ID and selfie. If everything is okay, just tick the two small boxes on the left side, then click submit. And that's it. Your SIM card registration has been completed. Just take a screenshot of this page for your reference.
So that's it for today. See you next tutorial, buddies.